my name's Heather. Today I'm going to show you how to install Anderson ends. One of the main reasons why we've used them is because they are fast and efficient ways to connect different parts on our robot to our motor. The items that you're going to need to make these is the end that you're wanting to put, the piece of wire that you're wanting to put the Anderson ends on. You're going to need the Anderson kit. You will need the Anderson crimping tool. You will also need a pair of wire strippers. And then you will also need a small pair of hemostats. So first you're going to start off with your piece of wire and you're going to strip usually about 1/4 of an inch off. If you do a little more, a little less, that's fine too. There we go. And then you're going to spread them apart a little bit, and then you're going to twist the end of the wire like that. And then these are the brackets that we use. So I don't know if you could see, but on the crimper, there's different sizes. So here's a 45, a 30, and a 15. This is the 15th size end. So we're going to insert that into the size 15 and open it. And it's going to be with this little ledge facing down into the hole on top, sitting on top of this. So I'm going to do that up here. Okay, and then you're going to crimp down just to hold it in place, but not to crush it yet. And then you're going to take your piece of wire that you've just twisted. You're going to insert it into here, just like that. And you're going to hold the piece of wire and squeeze down really hard. When you open it, you will have the end on. And then there's a covering part that you use, and this is the covering. Inside, it has this little lip, and the ledge of this end has to click on top of that. So you could push it in with your hands, but it's a little hard sometimes. There's also a tool that comes with the kit, but I find that it does not work very well. So what I found that works well for us is using a pair of hemostats. So I'm going to clip right at the base of this wire, just like that, and hold it in place for me. And then I'm going to face this, if it were to be like that inside. I'm going to place this in here, and then I'm going to turn it around and put it on the table so I'm able to apply pressure until you hear a click, and then you wiggle the hemostats out. I don't know if you could see, but now it's on top of there. So then you just take the piece that you want to connect it to, and you make sure it's black to black and red to red. You push them in together, and now you have Andersons.